Hello all, good morning. Some places it's good afternoon. Oh, the doves just fly away. Just came to see the outdoor nature because tomorrow might be snowing, freezing rain. So I was thinking, okay, why not eat my breakfast close to the nature, which I always like to do. Ducks are swimming, birds are flying. Ooh, it's so pretty nice. Somewhere over the rainbow, blue birds fly. Birds fly over the rainbow. Why, Dana, why can't I? That's one thing I cannot do, fly like a bird. Oh my goodness, all the little duckies, ducklings and mommy duck, father ducks, daddy ducks, they're all swimming. And here I am having my breakfast. Here, McDonald's hash brown made with potatoes, burrito, breakfast burrito, inside cheese, eggs, and little meats. Here is my coffee, McCafe, and McCafe apple pie. Okay, this one is blueberry pie. This one is apple pie. And this is going to be my breakfast at the nature. I hope when you have little time, you can enjoy at the outside having your breakfast. It's 50 degree right now, but tomorrow will be 17 degree. So I better enjoy my morning today if I can get out tomorrow. Hope I will. But we also have to see the winter weather. New England, everything is covered with the snow blanket. Texas children needs to see little bitty snowing. Well, maybe we will not have little. Oh, there is a birds flying. Hello birds. I'm having breakfast. You all have a wonderful day, okay? Thank you for stay with your friends, human. Ooh, they're flying.